let me show you the trick to know logarithm table, that is the log of numbers between 1 to 10 without having to use calculator. Now, log, like starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, don't forget, log this base 10. Log 1 to base 10 itself is what? I told you is what? Is 0. Now, log 10 to 10 is what? Is 1. That means any value that will be between will be what? Will be less than, will be greater than 0, but less than 1. If you know this now, you are a bit ahead, because people don't really know it. They're trying to look for calculator. Me, I don't use calculator. Now, if this is 0, now this log 2, the way I see log 2, is actually, if you press the calculator, if you go and press it, if you go and press the calculator for this, for log 2, it will give you, I think, 0.277 or thereabout. That's what it's going to give you. So what I used to do, I just round it up to be 0.3. So log, this will give you 0.3. Abi? Now this one will give you 0.477. So you log it, you round it up to 0.5. You don't need 4. Why? Log 4 means log 2 raised to power 2, which is log 2 times, like when you have 2 like this, when you take this here. So 2 times log 2 will give you log 4. So you don't need log 4. You are good. So I leave that. Now, log 5, if you press it, it's going to be 0.677. So I do 0.7. I don't need log 6 too. Really, I don't need log 6. Why? Log 6 means 2 times 3. So if I have log 2, I can add it to log 3. Then I'll get log 6. So I don't need log 6. Now, log 7 is 0.8 something. So we do 0.9. Then this one too, we do 0.9. Now, I will tell you why. You need to. So that means I don't need log 4. I don't need log 6. I don't need log 8. Why don't I need log 8? Log 8 is what? Log 4 times 2. Or 2 raised to power 3. So if I have 2 raised to power 3, this means 3 will come here. So I have 3, then 3 times what log 2 is. I will get log 8. So that's why I don't write this. Now, there's a reason why I don't write it. You will see it now. Now, let's imagine you have this. I can tell you that this looks like something. Look at the trend. 0.3, 0.5, 0.7, 0.9, and 0.9, then 1. 1.0. Okay. Now, that means add 0.2 to this. I have 0.5. Add 0.2. I have 0.7. Add 0.2. I have 0.9. Then this one, because, of course, it can never be greater than 1. Log 9 can never be greater than 1. Log 7 can be 0.8 something. So that's why it is this. So that means from log 7 to log 9, you can use 0.9 and you will not miss it. Now, there is now a more better trick when solving. You know, we've gotten this. Now, let me give you another question. Let's say I ask you to calculate the pH giving 0.004 molar H3PO4. Now, solution. I already told you that when we have H3PO4, this is what they gave me. But in terms of pH, H3PO4 is not there. It is H plus that is there, not H3PO4. Okay, so now let's go. pH is what? Minus log to base 10, the concentration of what? H plus. Yes or yes? So if I have this, now H3PO4, when it dissociates, it's going to give 3H plus PO4 3 minus. That means if I have 0.004 of this, I'm going to have 3 times 0.004 of H plus. So that means this is 0.012. Abi? 0.012. Because this will be 12, then this. So of what? Of H plus. Of H plus. Now, that is not where we are going. There's still a trick to this. Now that means if eventually this one, if we have this means 1.212, that's times 10 raised by what? Oh, don't let me say 1 point. Let me say 12 times 10 raised by what? Minus 3. Abi, this means, this point means, let's say 1. And you're counting this 1, 2, 3. Because it's this way, so it will be minus, right? Now, the way I used to, do you know the way I used to do this thing? I don't used to disturb myself. Do you know why I used to do it? You know, that means this thing now. Okay, so 10 times 12 times 10 raised by minus what? Minus 3. Now, don't forget that here, this is the concentration of what? H plus. Now, let's now go to our formula. This is our formula now. Abi, don't forget. So, we are still on point. Okay, so we are still on point. Now, the way I used to do it, you know, on you'll be doing calculation, but this is the way I used to do it. If pH equals to minus log 10, that will be 12 times 10 raised by what? Minus 3. Note, this thing that is here, this 3 that is here, I already know the answer to this question. If they give me option, without calculating, the answer is between 2 and 3. If what is here is minus 9, the answer is between 8 and 9. If what is here is minus 4, the answer is between 3 and 4. You will see it now. So this is what I used to do. I just do, the answer is 3 minus log 12. That's the answer. Quote me anyway. Don't do anything. Just do this. So, of course, I can say 3 minus log 12 is log 3 times 4. Abi? That means this is 3 minus log 3 plus log 4, right? So this is 3 minus, so log 3, come here, 0.5. Log 4, 2 times this, 0.6. So that is why this will be 3 minus 0. This is 1.1. So this is, the answer will be what? 2.9. No? I think this is 1.9. Okay, so this is the answer. Now, the reason why this is like this is because of the whole approximation of the thing that we are doing. But if you know your onions, if you know this approach, you are good to go. Now, let me give you another very, let's say you solve this. Let's say I have, okay, don't solve, before you solve, let me use another thing. Let's say I have 0.001 molar HCl. Calculate the pH. Of course, you know that this is 1. HCl will release H plus. So whatever is here is what will be here. So what I will just do, that means pH is minus, you will see now, minus logarithm to base 10, 0.001, Abi, which is 10 raised power minus 3. What do I tell you to do? Don't do anything. The answer is between 2 and 3. Just do 3, the power here, minus log. You know, don't forget, this 3 that you are seeing here. Eventually, when we have, no, this, let me write it well so that you see the other one. 1 times 10 raised power minus 3. Abi? So this is log 1. What the value here? And I told you that log 1 is what? 0. So 3 minus 0. That's 3. The answer is between 2 and 3. That's the way you do it. Now let's say, let me give you another question. Let's say I have, let's say I have for 0.002 molar H2SO4. Calculate the pH. What will you do? Don't forget, this one will release how many? 2H plus. So that means that's 2 times 0.002 molar of what? H plus. That is what? 0.004 molar. Abi now? So based on our formula, this becomes pH equals to minus log to base 10, 4 times 10 raised by what? Minus 3. So what do you do? The pH is just 3 minus log 4. Log 4 is what? 2 of this. That's why 3 minus 0.3 times 2. So this is 3 minus 0.6. This is 2.4. So don't be, what is, so it's very easy. If I, do this one, drop the answer in the comment section. Do this one. Let's say I give you something like this. pH equals to minus log 10, let's say 3 times 10 raised to power minus 6. What is the pH? Oh yeah, do it. That will be what? Oh yeah, tell me. You know, this is minus 6. It will just be what? 6 minus log 3. That's the pH. You are good to go. So what is log 3? Come here. 0.5. 6 minus 0.5. That's what? 5.5. That's the way you get that. It's very, very easy. Very, very easy. Very, very easy. Can you see? Very, very easy. Very, very easy. So this is the question. This is one question. This is two question, right? Then this is three question. Third question. So now I will just give you one question to do. Calculate for 0.003 molar H2SO4. What is the pH? Drop the answer in the comment section. The pH. Drop the answer in the comment section. So that is the concept. If you know this, you are a bit ahead of your colleagues. So make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel so that you will help other people who also need this. See you in the next class.